Monitor your kids and partners online without them knowing. This software will show your child's social media chats, like WhatsApp or Instagram, locations, browser history, call logs, photos, videos, and many more. It's called mSpy, and it's really amazing monitoring app for concerned parents. I just installed it on my son's phone to test it out, and I can monitor it using my account. Let's look closer at features that I really love. I can read his conversations on WhatsApp or Instagram and make sure he's not talking to creeps. Location tracking. I can pull up a map and see exactly where my kid is at any moment. So handy for peace of mind. I can view photos and videos on his phone to detect any signs of potential danger or risky behavior. Certainly, there are plenty of other mSpy's features that you can check out on mspy.com. The installation only took a few minutes, and it's completely invisible on his phone. He has no idea I can monitor his activity. mSpy is available for both Android and iOS devices, making it useful for both parents and people who want to check on their loved ones after getting consent. 40% subscription discount, link is in the bio. Follow Computer Geeks for more tips and tricks.